Welcome to the channel. Today's episode, we're checking out the B 1800 PSI pressure washer. So it's an electric pressure washer, and it is 1.3 gallons per minute. So let's check it out, see what it looks like in the box. Not a bad looking unit, pretty solid. So yeah, check it out. Nice hose on it, nice spool too. The water going in. Holder.
Pretty light too.
It's pretty light. Yeah, let's take it outside and let's try it out. It was pretty easy. Had it ready to go in 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of the box, didn't even look at the instructions. And she was pretty much ready to go. Let's go try it out. This goes right in there. It's the water side. So that's nice and tight. This side goes right in here. Now
you have to plug it in.
There we go.
The B pressure washer is a great little unit. It's ideal for home jobs, definitely not for use in a commercial setting, but this thing's a great little convenient pressure washer. It's got a different power settings with a rotating head for ultra scrubbing power, and it's got a variable wide range adjustment. So it's got some versatility. It's a nice little unit. It's pretty solid so far and didn't even have any hiccups. It's got the automatic stop and start function so that it doesn't get overworked if you let go of the controls. That's a nice little unit, very light, very easy to use, straightforward. It's got wheels, packs up beautifully. Overall, I'd give this unit a 4.5 out of 5. It's a great little package and seems to have good quality, straightforward design, and I rather like using it. Hope you enjoyed the B pressure washer review. Get in the review crew and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. New videos every week.